In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download videos from Pinterest directly to your device. Whether it's for inspiration or saving your favorite ideas, we've got you covered. Open the Pinterest app on your phone and head to your home feed. Swipe to the right until you find the Watch section. Once you find a video you'd like to download, pause it. Tap on the three dots located above the heart icon, or like button. From the menu that pops up, select Copy Link. Now exit the Pinterest app and open your web browser. In the search bar, type Pinterest Video Downloader and hit search. Open the first link that appears in the results. Once you're on the website, look for the text box labeled Paste Your Link here. Tap on the text box, then tap again to paste the link you copied earlier. Next, click the download button below the text box. Wait a few seconds for the video to process. Once the processing is complete, you'll see various download options. For iPhone users, it's best to select Force Download Video for a smoother process. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the download. Tap Download. The video will now be saved to your phone. To ensure everything worked perfectly, tap on the video to play it and confirm it has been successfully downloaded to your device. You've just downloaded a video from Pinterest with ease. If you found this guide helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks.